The inventory tool allows you to efficiently adjust inventory, perform inventory audits, and print product labels. To begin, go to the menu bar, select Window, and choose Inventory Tool. Next, enter a product ID in the product code text field by scanning a barcode, typing it manually, or copying multiple comma-separated product IDs from other applications. Then click Add Product IDs or press Return. You'll see the products added to the list above with the quantity value set according to the selected insert mode. +1 mode increases the quantity value by 1 each time a product ID is scanned or entered, while inventory mode sets the quantity to match the current Tuplo inventory. It's also possible to add products to the inventory tool by selecting the products in the Navigator or Product Group window and then clicking the Product Label button. The Navigator window will add products using inventory mode, while the Product Group window will add them using +1 mode. To remove products, select them and press Delete, or click the Clear List button to remove all products. To audit inventory, choose the +1 insert mode, turn on Clear upon input, and activate the Extra Columns button. As you scan product labels, the inventory tool will display the difference between the scanned count and Tuplo inventory. If there is a discrepancy, you can correct Tuplo inventory by selecting the products and choosing More options, Inventory, Set to Value of Quantity. This will update Tuplo records and requires confirmation before applying. To print product labels, add products to the inventory tool, choose your label dimensions, and click Print Labels. If you would like to print new labels for the entire inventory of your selected products, then choose More options, Quantity, Set to Value of Inventory. With these insights, you're now fully equipped to efficiently manage products in Tuplo Studio.